So here's the question. We need to find tan theta if cos theta is given, right? Cos theta is equals to 1 over 4. If we need to calculate tan theta, we have to use the identity. And what is the identity? Tan theta is equals to sine over cos. So I'm going to write it down. Tan theta is equals to sine theta over cos theta. Correct? Now we have the value of cos theta, which I will substitute the value of cos theta. Tan theta equals to sine, we don't have, so I will leave it blank. Cos theta is 1 over 4, right? Now we don't have sine theta, but we will use a different identity to find the value of sine theta. I'm going to use this identity, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. Okay, sine squared theta, I will keep it because I'm finding this value, plus cos squared theta, I'm substituting the value of cos squared theta, which is 1 over 4, and then 1. Okay, now 1 over 4 squared is 1 over 16, and when you will take to the other side, here it will be sine squared theta, let me write it down this again. It's going to be sine squared theta equals to 1 minus 1 over 16, and when you will simplify this 1 minus 1 over 16, it's going to be sine squared theta equals to 1 minus 1 over 16 is 1 minus 1 over 16 is 15 over 16 and then you have to take a square root of it because it's sine squared theta, so square root on both sides, and this is going to be sine theta equals to square root 15 over 4. Now this value of sine you will substitute here. It will become square root 15 over 4. Now simplify this part, and then 4 and 4 cancel. You will left with tan theta equals to square root 15, and this is your final answer. This is how you will calculate the value of tan theta.